Hello everyone, my name's Luis and this is my first Pokemon card opening. In this video I'm just going to be opening up some cards I got in the mail today. So yeah, please enjoy the video. Okay, here's a little package thing. Okay, so the first card I'm gonna show you is I got a Uxie Mysterious Treasures, pretty. A Mesprit Mysterious Treasures, a Swanna from the Black and White series, a Uxie from the Legends Awaken, a Mesprit from the Legends Awaken, and a Zell from the Legends Awakens. Well, that's my video. The only reason it was so short is because, well, I'm just testing to see if I like and should make more Pokemon card openings. So yeah, tell me how I did. Subscribe, like, and watch any of my other channel videos, and I hope you enjoyed. Also, read the description, and peace.